Welcome again, everybody. Greetings from Istanbul. Hope everybody is doing fine. We have gathered together here about our search and discovery module, which has two main separate products inside of it. One is our search box, and the other one is the Searchandising module, which you can also imagine as the search result page for your website. So the content of this training will be like I will be going over what the before search and the after search. I mean, what the search box does, and also the searchandising part. What the Segmentify's capabilities. I will show an example, and I will try to explain the terms that you will be familiar with it when you go into our panel. And also I will be showing the reports of them, how you can understand the numbers that you will be seeing from the panel, and also how you can view it from different screens. And we will do some customizations. We will define some rules. And in the end, as Pelinsu mentioned, I will be here to answer your questions. It will be like it and at the end of the meeting. I think everybody can see my screen. So I will start from the scratch. So this is our panel for the ones who have been together more than a couple of months. You can see that we have a new dashboard thanks to our product team once again. This is our main dashboard. And this is our demo account. So the numbers, the currencies, all the numbers will be a little bit irrelevant for you, so you can ignore them. And in our new dashboard, you can see the report of the search box. I mean, our search and discovery. You can see the revenue has been generated within the time range that's been selected from the top. So you can see it from here. And for the old version, you can see the search and discovery performance, let's say numbers, from the main screen with just clicking on this tab. And as I said, it's again filtered according to the time range that's been selected from the top. So what is our search and discovery module? So I would like to list it in three different ways. One, the search box, and the other, the searchandising, the personalized searchandising. And let's start from the search box. The search box itself is divided into two, like the before search and the after search. What does it mean? Like the before search is the box that we are opening when the end user is has been clicked on your website. We are showing a little search box like this, and in this area we are showing the personalized products in here for the returning visitors, and also for the new visitors. Let's say we are showing the popular products of your website, so you can see this. The search. People are tending to use search more and more during these days. So you can consider this area as your window, so that you will be able to show the most relevant product to the end users to the visitors of your website. So we are showing the popular brands, we are showing the popular categories of your website, and also the most searched keywords throughout the website. And this is like what we call before search. And when you type something, let's say this is the after search screen that we are showing. According to the keyword that's been typed, we are showing the related categories, if there is any, of course. And also, according to the ordering type that's been selected, we are showing the products relevant to that keyword here. I will go into detail from the panel. What does it mean? What the order types are? What we are able to do? whatsoever. So in before search, let's go over from the editing part. Like for the new clients of us of Segmentify, these settings are done during your POC period, your onboarding period. But you are always able to change and define what you are able to do with your account managers. You can change the settings from our panel with going search and discovery search box part once again, and you will see search before search input right here. Click on edit, and you will see which type of information that we are showing on the search box, the before search, I mean. As I said, as I shown you before, the categories, the brands, the top search keywords, both for mobile and desktop devices. The ones that's been activated means they are shown in your before search box. You can, if you want, you can directly close them and open them so that they will be deactivated or activated on your search box. You can also change the titles from here, and also with some additional revisions on the search box, you are always, of course, feel free to contact with our account management team so that you can change the design of it if it is not done from the panel. But you can change the content of those areas like the titles, and also you can select and edit the titles from here. Let's say and you can change it, the popular brands part, let's say. And also for each type, as I said, we are showing the top categories in here, but in the before search, you are always able to pin categories, pin brands, and pin those, let's say, assets that we are calling it. You can pin some assets so that you can promote them according to the, let's say, special time periods of the year, let's say campaign periods you can directly promote pinning some categories or pinning some brands from here in your website's before search area. And also, as I said, in the before search, we are showing the products like a personalized ordering, but we have several ordering types. You can show the newest products that's been added to the website. You can show the most popular products. You can show personalized products for your visitors, which actually it's a combination of the most popular products and also the personalized products for your visitors. Our system is calculating your visitors' favorite categories and tending to show the most popular of those 3 or 4 favorite categories of your visitors. So every single user, once they click on the search box, if this ordering type is selected, they will see different recommended products, let's say, according to their history on the website. And also in before search part, we are able to add some banners. So for every single user, when they click on the before search, your search bar, let's say, in the before search, you can add a banner from here, directly upload it from your device, or you can just type the image URL of it, copy and paste it here. Let's insert an image. By the way, while inserting an image, like uploading an image, you will be able to see the previous images that you have uploaded to our panel so that you can select them from your history. You will give a banner name. You will give the target URL that you want to show, let's say this banner name will be shown only in our reporting, so it will be only for our panel, let's say. One, you will be defining the target URL, so when you click on the users, when they click on the banner, they will be redirected to this link that you will be giving. And also you can select the option if you want to, once they clicked, if you want to redirect them to a new tab or the same page that they are visiting. And also we have an end date option. If your banner is like a time sensitive, let's say, if it is related with a discount period, campaign period, that's going to be ending, you can define a time in here. And when you go live, your banner will be automatically deactivated after the date here is selected. And also, like for some reasons, our customers need to exclude some products in their search box, let's say, including both before search and after search. Also, you can exclude some products if you don't want to show them in the search. For example, if you have a very cheap product that's like that you don't want to show it very frequently, you can directly hide it from here, just typing the name of it or the product ID of it, the product code of it in here. For every single change that you are doing from our panel, in order to save it, you need to press on go live or update. You will be seeing different names, but you will need to press on the green buttons in every screen so that every change is saved. So before search part is like this, and once the visitors are typing some queries, some keywords on the search bar, which means after this time, our after search is triggered. So after 2 or 3 characters that's been typed to the bar, the relevant products according to that query will be recommended in the after search part. And again, just like we can do it from the before search, we can do some customizations on this part also, like in the after search. We can exclude some categories, we can hide some products in here, we can hide brands, or we can hide even a price range. So under, let's say, $10, we will be excluding the products after cheaper than the $10. So we can do some customizations on the after search also in here based on categories, even sizes, stocks, colors, and etc. And also, again, the ordering types can be changed. We have bestsellers, we have newest, we have price ascending, descending, alphabetical ascending, descending, and also best match and most popular. Of course, according to the reports and the performance of the search box, these sortings can be also changed from time to time, but it's always safe to get the insight of your account managers also during your decisions about this. So in the after search also, we can add some banners, just like we did in the before search. And also, again, the content, the titles, all the texts can be changed from here. And for the after search, let's say, we can do some customizations based on the queries, based on the keywords that's been typed. So you can define it from here, like we have a customization box. When you select it, this screen will be shown. So what we are doing is in here, we are setting a query-based rules for our after search, which means, so for example, let's go with some example keyword. Let's say dress. So we have a selector, let's say, the contains we starts with or exactly matches. Let's say contains in here. So what I'm doing is I'm defining a rule for all the keywords, all the search, let's say, including dress keyword, we will be defining a rule. So for every type of, let's say, keywords, or every type of cases like this, you can define different rules so that you can customize the after search, the search results according to the keywords. So let's say for dress, we can pin a couple of products. Let's type it from here. And also one more product. So what I'm doing is for dress, for the keywords that contains dress, I'm pinning the products in here. Or I would like to hide one of them, so I can hide it from here. And I will click on save. And it will be shown in here under search result customization. And I can define the position of it. So I would like to show it in the third place, let's say. So in the after search, it will be defined under here. Also, we can boost some areas. For example, for dress categories, I would like to boost some brands, or I would like to boost my black colored dresses. I can boost some parameters that we are already receiving from your product feed. So when you click on colors in here, for example, and let's say black, and we will define a weight for it. So I must mention that every single product has a score on our site, which is used in the search results. So every single product has their own score, and we are defining a weight in here so that that score will be multiplied, and we will be boosting those products in the results area. So we will be defining a weight in here. The maximum is 250. So we can put the maximum weight for it. And when we click on it, which means when I type dress, the black dresses will be boosted and will be sorted in the first place. But this is black, but let's say if it was a red dress, this will be not manipulated by this area, and it will be still shown in the third place. And again, once again, according to the queries, we are also able to show banners. So if I upload an image in here, which means that banner will be only shown for the searches that contains dress keyword. Before skipping this screen, we need to define a rule name. So training dress rule, let's say. And the rule set will be set in here. So you will see it. And whenever you need to make a change, you can click on it and edit it from here. So before search and the after search, the things that we can do is simply like this. I would like to go to the Searchandising part, which is like the search result page of your, you can think of it like a search result page of your website. So I would like to show what with Searchandising, what do we mean? So what is Searchandising? We have the facets, let's say. We have the filters at the left, like the categories, brands, sizes, of course, for every single businesses, every single website, the filters can be changed. As an example, I have a beverage company, and these are the filters that they wanted to show. The booze type, let's say, the brand of the beverages, the sizes, the volumes, let's say, the proof, the alcohol volume, the reviews, and the price range. But you can always include like colors or even color ranges or sizes for fashion, let's say, the size of the clothes, like medium, large, small. We have like the 1 liter, 1.5 liter, half liter in this case, and we have ordering types, just like we are doing it for the search box. You can always define the default ordering types, and also for query based, you can define the ordering types. So let's say for dresses, if you want to show the most expensive dresses, you can define a rule and change the ordering type for only dress keyword, let's say. And it can be changed. It's always up to your decision. But we have an option that you can also search beneath the filters. So if you have multiple selections of in every single filter, you are also able to do some searches. When you type it, the filters will be limited according to the keyword that you are typing in the filter. And again, for searchandising, just like we are doing it for the search box, we are able to define a rule, query-based rules in here. And also, I'll just show a couple of parts in here. Like we have a global configuration part, which you can think of it as the general settings for searchandising and search box. So as I showed you before, we have customizations based on the products or based on queries, but all the changes that's been done from here, all the configurations will be done from here, is like as a general, not query based, not module based. It will be applied as a whole. So you can again you can give weights for categories, for specific categories, for specific brands, so that you can promote it in the search box and this also in the searchandising part. So you can just define the brand's name or the category's name here, and you can type the weight of it, so that those products scores will be multiplied with this weight, let's say. And if like this is for searchandising, but if you click on this check boxes, this rule will be also applied for the search box also, both in before and after. For every single reason you may want to pin some products from time to time, you can do it from here, just typing the ID of it, typing the name of it. Let's say not this, let's say this one. You will see all the products that have black, let's say, because I have typed it. You can select it from the drop down menu in here. And also again, you can exclude, let's say, hide products from again in here, and you can activate this rule both in search box and searchandising. These are a little bit technical, so I'm skipping that part. These are done, but let me just quickly give a brief on it. These are set it up like during the integration phase, and if we are receiving for all our modules to be working successfully, we are receiving mandatory fields like the product name, the prices, the categories, etc. But for some businesses, let's say, we may need to receive some special information for the products. So we are defining them, and we are also defining the importance of them from here. Let's say the weight of it, from here. So this will be done during the integration phase, and we are not touching it very frequently during your journey with Segmentify. But as I said, from this area, you can define the rules. And again, with clicking Save All, let's say I did not fill those in, and you can save all the customizations that's been done for both Searchandising and search box. So if everything's done, let's say all the rules are set up, all the actions that have been taken, but how you can like analyze the reports, analyze the performance of how it's working. So you can reach for those reporting screens from the left side menu at the top. We have reports, and under search and discovery, we have an executive summary part. So what is this? Like by default, the last 7 days has been selected in here, but let's check the last month, for example. In this executive summary area, you will see 3 different tabs, let's say. One, the whole summary, including the search box and the Searchandising, and also the breakdown of it for the each module, both search box and Searchandising. And when you click on before search, you are able to see the details for every single step. So you will be able to see the numbers for before search and also after search and search result Searchandising. So in here, you will see how many people have viewed the after search, how many people have clicked a product from the after search, and out of those clicked products, how many of them has been added to basket, and the revenue generated from those. All the, let's say, metrics have been calculated in the same way that we are doing it for our recommendation. So we are like calculating the direct sales. So in order to write us a conversion, write Segmentify as a conversion, that clicked product needs to be bought. So all our reporting logics based on that structure, you will be able to see the numbers, the conversion rates, and the also average order values and the contribution ratio for in Segmentify's whole contribution. In Searchandising part, the only difference is you will be able to see how many keywords that's been searched within the time range that's been selected, how many times people clicked and see the next page for the search result pages, how many times the filters, we are calling it facet, how many times filters have been changed, and also how many times the ordering type has been changed. You can see it as a list in the Searchandising reports. And for me, like the most fun part of it is the insights part for the search and discovery module, let's say. So when you click on Insights tab, you will see the total searches that's been done within the time range selected, the total searches and also unique searches, both in a graph you will be able to see. And also we have the popular searches, which means we have selected the last month. So in February, these are the top 5 searched keywords in our website, and you will see how many times that they are searched, their click-through rates, their purchases, how much revenue has been generated from that keyword, and also out of this specific keyword, which product was the best-selling ones. You will be able to see it in here. Like as a preview, we have 5, but when you click on Show All, you will see the 100 of them, and you can filter it according to the device type and also export it as a CSV file so that you can also use it, analyze it in your Excel. And these are the top 5 most valuable products, let's say, for search. And we have no result searches, which means for those keywords, our search was not able to show products, recommend any products, which means like we need to like, or you may need to do some adjustments so that you can show a product, a relevant product for those keywords that's been searched. How we are doing is I will be showing, but also this is a good insight for you that from time to time you can understand people are tending to make searches according to the product model IDs, let's say model names, or they are making some typos, so you need to define some typos. Our system is uh, adding an automatic typos, but from time to time, from case by case, we need to close them. So maybe manual typos or synonyms may be defined. Uh, the analysis of it is been done from here. So for example, as an example, let me zoom a little bit. For example, we have a product called asymmetrical, but as you can see, there is a typo for it, and maybe for 19 times we are not able to show a product for this specific keyword. So we probably need to define a typo from our panel so that this keyword means the exact correct version of it. How we are doing it is at the bottom of this page, as you can see, we have add synonym area. So when you click on it, you'll be redirected to a settings tab, which we are calling it synonym and typos. For synonyms, for example, we have two different type of synonyms, one way or two way. Two way is like you will be defining up to 5 keywords in here, and all of those keywords results will be given as the same. So when you type hoodie in your website, you will be seeing the sweatshirt results, and when you type sweatshirt in the search bar, you will be seeing the results for hoodies also. So from time to time in the product line, in the product feed, we are receiving those products in two different names. So some of them will be shown, some of them will be not. So we are overcoming this issue with defining one way or two way synonyms like this. Or like the one way is like if you type helmets, if you type keyword 3, uh, you will be shown the results for keyword 1. So how you are defining is add synonym in here one way. So as you can see, the results, the keywords that's going to be shown as the results in the first place, and the second keywords is the incorrect ones, let's say. So for example, for sandals in here, the correct version of it is been added here, and for the rest of it, the incorrect ones will be listed in here, as you can see. Or you can define, I forgot to click on it, or we are able to define typos. So by clicking add typo in here, you will be defining the correct version and also the incorrect version of the keywords that's been searched, and you can also update it from here. So let's say, you probably all know we have a brand called Vichy, but from time to time it can be misspelled in the search box. So we are putting the correct one at the left and defining the incorrect ones at the right from here. And also, as I said, our automatic typo, we have an automatic typo functionality also, and it is also defined from here. So one typo means for one character, one misspelled character, our automatic typo structure is being triggered. You can define the 1 typo, 2 typo, the character names, the character counts from here also. Like with your account managers, you are always you can always analyze the results from time to time, so that you can increase the relevancy of your search results, and also you can show products as much as you can for your visitors. Let's keep the no result searches also in the minimum amount. So basically, that's all for me to go over. If you have any questions, I can answer them.
Thank you, Oda, for the valuable insights, and to all of you for joining us. Before the Q&A session, the session recording will be shared soon. And also we will provide a handout document for you to review. So if you have any questions, you can just drop on the chat box, and or you can send to us later. If you have questions, you can wait a few more minutes.
I think no. We will be sharing. Thanks for your great words. Thanks a lot. We will be sharing the record, and also you are always more than welcome. If you have any questions regarding them, you can contact us. You can contact your account manager. We will be more than happy to help you about all of your questions.
So see you in the next session then.
Thanks for your time. Take care.